Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you how I make hydrating face moisturizer. It is the perfect moisturizer for dry, tired, dull facial skin. It's rich and creamy and it leaves the skin looking healthy and hydrated. Want to see how I make this face moisturizer? Well, keep watching. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So my first ingredient is going to be a solid butter, and I chose Maru butter for this particular face cream because it's very soft and moisturizing, and of course it's known for its moisturizing properties. So next I'm going to be adding in some jojoba oil. So jojoba oil, like Maru butter, won't clog the pores and it helps to balance the skin's natural production. Because this is an emulsifying face cream, I'm going to be adding in a natural emulsifier called Olevium 1000, and it's actually made from olive oil. So I've been seeking out ingredients that are more on the natural side, and I've tried this emulsifier in some of my other homemade DIYs, and I love how it works. So now it's time for me to place my solid butter, my liquid oil, and emulsifier into a water bath to let all of my ingredients melt together. Now I'm going to be combining xanthan gum and glycerin together. So first I'm going to measure out the glycerin, which acts as a humectant to draw moisture to the skin. It also makes the skin feel soft and supple. Just be careful not to add too much, as it can sometimes make products feel a little bit sticky. So now let's measure out the xanthan gum. So xanthan gum is not a naturally occurring ingredient, and although I am leaning more towards natural skincare, I do like the way it thickens my creams. So it's going to help give my moisturizer a nice thicker consistency, which will make this moisturizer also a great night cream if you have drier skin. So the next step is adding in distilled water. So distilled water, of course, is the main ingredient in this recipe, and it's going to draw all of the moisture to the skin to continue to help plump and hydrate the skin. So now let's add in a little bit of aloe juice because it's packed with antioxidants and vitamins that the skin loves. So let's take a look at our butters and oils and the emulsifier, and as you can see, it has started to melt and it's looking great. So now I'm going to place my distilled water and my aloe vera, as well as my xanthan gum and glycerin, into the same water bath so that they can all warm up a bit. So now that all of my ingredients have warmed up a bit, I'm going to combine my oil into my water, and then I'm going to stir it just a little bit, and now it's time to use my emulsifying blender to blend all of my oil and my water together. So this is going to help my ingredients start to thicken up into a creamy texture that makes the face creams nice and dreamy. Now I'm just transferring it into a different bowl so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm adding in my xanthan gum and my glycerin, and I'm going to mix it up. And now I'm adding in the remainder of the xanthan gum and the glycerin. Now I'm adding in my vitamin E, and of course we all know that vitamin E has some amazing healing properties for the skin. And now I'm going to add in my Optifin. So this is my preservative of choice for this particular face moisturizer. So I'm just mixing it in to make sure that all of the preservative is mixed in really, really well. And I'm also going to go ahead and take my whisk and just give it another quick mix just to make sure that everything is mixed really, really well. I want my vitamin E and my Optifin mixed into this facial moisturizer completely. So now that I'm done blending, I'm going to add my face moisturizer into my little jar, and I've made enough for about 4 ounces. And like I mentioned, if you have dry skin, this is the perfect moisturizer. It can be used both daytime and nighttime. As you can see, I have made an easy at-home DIY face moisturizer cream. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also, go check out some of my other DIY skincare videos. And if you love making DIY skincare, you'll enjoy those videos. Products that I use can be found in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.